I was gifted this nonstick grill pan, so let me give you a closer look at it. So this is the nonstick grill pan by ESLITE Life. It has a ceramic nonstick coating, so you don't need much oil, and cleanup is quick. It's also PFOA free, which is great for everyday cooking. One of my favorite features is the detachable handle. It stays cool while cooking, and when you remove it, the pan is easier to clean and store. The square shape gives you more cooking space, which I love, and the raised ridges help create grill marks, but at the same time letting grease drain off to the sides, which is nice. There are pour spouts on both sides. It makes it easier to drain. And it heats up really fast, it cooks evenly, and it works on all stovetops, including induction. Overall, this is a nice, practical grill pan that works well for indoor cooking, and it doesn't take up a ton of space. Definitely check it out.